The 2020 Jaguar F-Type Coupe. The Jaguar F-Type is, arguably, one of the best-looking sports cars on the market today, and one could even go so far as to say it's one of the best lookers of the decade. While this might be true, it has also been on the market since 2013, and we all know that it's due to be replaced in 2020. We've finally seen the first prototype of the 2021 Jaguar F-Type being tested, and we have to admit that there's going to be some serious changes taking place. Expect a similar silhouette with an all-new face and rear end. There's also a certain rumor about the V8 engine that you don't want to miss out on, so be sure to check out our drivetrain section to learn more about that. Exterior. This prototype isn't exactly production-ready quite yet. As you can see from the front end, the design of the front fascia is far from complete. Right now, Audi appears to be channeling air through tubes that will...
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.